this evening I have a replacement for the Givenchy bags, which were both sent back because I found them too small. The opening, you couldn't open them very wide, and so you scratch the back of your hands, you know, when you put them in the bag. And it said in the description supple leather, and it really wasn't. It was box leather and it was quite rigid. So I found a replacement. Oh goodness, I mean, even though it was a birthday present from me to me, I still have a budget, and the budget did not stretch to this. So it's a birthday and Christmas present from me to me. So I'll just have to remind myself coming up to Christmas, I've already bought myself a present. It came yesterday. I haven't opened it. It's all still, you know, it's still all wrapped up, and I'm beyond excited, which might give you a clue about the make of bag that it is. Oh goodness me, there's so much tape and everything. Well, whoops. Right, might speed this bit up actually. Oh, there are 2 bags. Sorry, I should have zoomed you out a bit so you can see what I'm doing here. These were the birthday flowers behind me. I haven't moved into a florist shop. It does feel like one at the moment, which is lovely actually, but okay. Right. This is strange. I cut open this piece and I seem to have another bag underneath this bag over a box. I'm not the best at unwrapping things anyway, so trying to navigate 2 bags in a box. Do you know, the restraint I have shown over the last couple of days by not opening this, oh, my mother would have been proud of me. Seriously, she would have been so proud of me. But actually, no, I know what she'd have said. I'll just open it. Open it and we can wrap it up again, but I haven't, no. Oh, that just comes off. Right, I'm getting somewhere. Okay. Right. Oh, God. God, I'm exhausted now. Show it at the Olympics, you know. You should be able to win a gold medal in unboxing. Oh God, that'd be funny, wouldn't it? Can you imagine it? The handbag Olympics. Oh, I love it. Right, okay, so that's all of that. That's right, I'll just pull that down there for now because I'm not interested in that at all. It is from my favourite consignment store, MEA, and I'm not paid to say that. I don't get any discount or anything. They just sell great bags. Prices are good, descriptions are excellent. You know, they would not have called that Givenchy bag supple. They just would not have done it. Right, okay. Oh, goodness. I don't know, I've got you zoomed out a little bit too much now. I am, oh, look, I'm so excited, I keep zooming you the wrong way. Right. Oh, There is nothing that makes me this excited as a particular, I don't really say brand of handbag or type of handbag, you know what I mean. Anyway, if you know me at all, you probably guessed. And by the way, it's very remiss of me, I do apologise. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kaz. I'm 5'0", literally. That's 152 centimetres in new money. And I have loved fashion, especially handbags, for over 50 years. And I have quite a few handbags. And I have a particular favourite. And do you know, even though they have really annoyed me in recent years, well, no, we'll go into that one. Let's just unbox this first. Look, I'm all over the place. It is, and it's pre-loved. Let's get the box out of the way. Right. It is, any guesses? It's a Chanel. Oh. It is, I have never had anything like this before. This is there's nothing similar in my Chanel collection at all, which is another reason why I really, really loved it. Oh goodness, I haven't even had one with this type of bag. Oh God, I even love the dust bag. Look at the dust bag. Look at that. Coco herself. Oh my God, it looks good. Right, okay. Oh my goodness, I nearly swore then. Whoops. In the nicest possible way, of course. It's pre-loved. Now, the condition was, I've forgotten, so I'll have to look it up in my notes. 9.5, which on MEA's website is well used, and it says this item is in very good condition with signs of use on fabric, signs of use inside. Just giving it away, haven't I, what it's made of. And there you go, look at that. Just look at that. Oh my goodness me. It's black tweed with ribbon woven through it, and it is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Pocket on the back, silver hardware, it's got the double grommets, and this is the only time, well, this is the only bag that I have in my collection that has a double flap. Let me zoom you out a bit. Oh God, I'm so excited. My fingers shaking on the control thingy, whatever you call them, you know what I mean. So it has that flap, and then it has a second flap here. And I'm trying to see where the signs of use are actually, because they're very much on the side of caution at MEA. Just, wow, how does this work? Oh goodness, this is stunning, just stunning. So it's got, hold on, I have to zoom you in again. Oh, I'm zooming you in and out like I don't know what I'm doing. See, it's got the double flap here, which I'm not used to operating, so I'm a bit, not quite sure what, oh okay, so it's got a pocket on the front here. Well, that makes sense. And then just the one compartment at the back. I mean, it's black, so you won't really be able to see anything. But it's Chanel, made in France, which I always like. I have a soft spot for France, having lived there for some years. Now, I think it was a it's 2014, so it's from the Chanel Cruise 2014 collection. I mean, for the most part, I buy older pre-loved Chanel bags. you know, if you've been around on my channel for a while, you'll know that I'm not, just, you know, it's the quality of the leather, the prices, the whole thing. I mean, it's just, you know, crazy. Oh, what have I done now? God, Lord, you'll have to forgive me. I'm all fingers and thumbs and everything else. Oh, goodness me, it's awesome. I love it. Absolutely love it. You just know, don't you, with the bag straight away. You just get that sort of gut feeling that's either a yep or a no. Look at that. I love that on the short drop with the chains like that. Look at her, she's so beautiful. It's in such good condition. There's not a mark on the bottom at all. I don't know where the signs of use are. And then of course you've got the double flap, and this is the only bag I have with the double flap. I do have a jumbo. That's the only sort of, you know, what would you call them? I suppose a Chanel classic, but mine's with the single flap. So this one has the double flap, has the pocket in the front here, main compartment there. This does up with a Prested here, but I think it's probably a bit fiddly to do, and you just sort of leave that bent over. There's a pocket down the back here, very small one. And there is also a pocket, oops, in here. Oh, okay. Which just goes, the pocket there, which is just along the top of the bag. It's unusual. And the hardware is so shiny. And the strap, look at it, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You can tell by the slight stiffness in that it's hardly been used at all. It's, you know, it's the same story, isn't it? You know, you go out and spend, you know, a small fortune on a bag and then think, oh goodness, I don't use it. And I totally get that. I totally understand that. I mean, the prices are ridiculous. But, you know, pre-loved like this, the prices are still decent and they're good at the moment. You know, if you're buying, the prices are great. If you're selling, they're absolute rubbish. But, you know, if you're selling and buying, it's the same market, so you'll get less for selling, but you'll pay more if you're buying, so, you know. Oh, wow. Okay, what else can I tell you about it? Measurements. Let's do measurements. Okay, so length. I always think it's width, isn't it, from there to there? That's width. Anyway. 26 centimetres or 10¼ inches. The height, so top to bottom, 16 centimetres or 6½ inches. And the depth is 6½ centimetres or 2½ inches. Chain drop is 22½ centimetres, that's doubled up like that, or 9 inches, and single drop is 42 centimetres, 16½ inches. And the material is tweed. And I don't know what else to say about her. She is just absolutely fabulous. I should try her on the longer version, shouldn't I, on a single. Right, okay. Yeah, this has definitely hardly been used. That is a great length on me. So that's just sitting, you know, my hips there, so it's just above the top of my hip. I think in all honesty that the length of this chain is perfect for somebody who's petite like me. If you were taller, I don't think this would work. Don't think it would work. Oh, it's just so lovely. I love the way the ribbon's woven through the tweed. Isn't it just stunning? Beautiful. It's almost got a slight sparkle to it. And it looks, for all intents and purposes, like a brand new bag. But it's, you know, I would say, oh, well less than half of what you pay for something similar in the boutique now. You'd probably pay, oh goodness, I don't know, $15,000, $16,000 for something of this size. I think this is the same as the, you know, the classic flaps, the medium large. I think they're about $15,000 or $16,000 here now. And given that their leather is really pretty rubbish at the moment, and also the quality, you know, the way the bags are made is just, this is quality. This is beautifully made. I mean, there isn't a stitch out of place. It is absolutely perfect. And, you know, anything from Karl Lagerfeld's era, in my eyes, is just, you know, just pure genius. So that is my birthday present, and oh, and Christmas present. Seriously, yeah, I'm really going to have to remember that, because I did go a little overboard with this one. Now this came with, as you've seen, the original dust bag. I love this dust bag. Haven't had one of these before. The original box, I do believe, yep. But there was no authenticity card. But with EMEA you do get a certificate of authenticity. They're very strict about, you know, authentication, and I think I've seen enough Chanel bags over the last, you know, 40 years to know if something's okay or not, and everything about this one looks absolutely okay and good to go. Isn't she fabulous? I mean, that is just so perfect, isn't it? It's that nice sort of, I just don't like that under the armpit term, you know, an armpit bag, but it sort of is, isn't it? It's an under the arm bag, shall we say. It's great. Love it. So there she is. What do you reckon? Do let me know in the comments down under. I love reading your comments. I love replying to them. And by the way, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you did. It means so much to me. And if you have already subscribed, thank you. I really, really appreciate it. So, thank you for watching, and oh, okay, maybe keep watching. Do you want to know how many black bags I've got? See you over there.